All right, fractions within fractions. You can flip these things over if you have a common denominator on top and on the bottom. And so to get a common denominator, I've got an x and an x plus 6. I cannot add 6 to the top and bottom to turn it into an x plus 6. So I need an x plus 6 here on top and bottom and an x over x here. Okay, that's going to give me my common denominator on the top. I'm ignoring the bottom for now. Common denominator on the top is going to be x times x plus 6. Now, if that's the case, this times 1 is going to give me an x plus 6 over here. But then I'm adding this, 1 times x, which is just an x over there. Right? The nice thing about my denominator here is that I've got a 2 over x squared plus 6x. I can take out the x, and I've got an x plus 6 there. Now I'm pretty much done. I've got a fraction over a fraction. I've got some cleaning up to do up here. Like terms are the x and the x, so that just gives me a 2x plus 6 on top over x times x plus 6. Please don't try to cancel the x plus 6's. Okay, that 2 is a part of things, so we'll deal with that in a second. But instead of divided by this fraction that I already know, I'm going to multiply by the reciprocal of this fraction. So what's on the bottom becomes on top, and what's on top becomes the bottom when I turn it over like this. X and x plus 6 over 2. So the x's cancel, the x plus 6's cancel, and if I notice this, that I have a 2 that's common. I have a 2 times x plus 3 over 2. Now I can cancel my 2's, and my answer is x plus 3, and that is over here one of my solutions. Okay. Number 2, we'll do these in small chunks. Factor something out of area. Take out a 9, you get an x plus 3. Take out a 4, you get you got 2 left here. A lot of times I'll see people just call that x minus 1 because they forget that there's still 2 left in front of that x when you take out a 4. It's the biggest thing you can take out. Same thing happens here. Take out a 12, you're left with a 2x minus 1. And here again, you take out a 27, you're left with a 2x minus 1. So not all the 2x minus 1's cancel, just those two. And then when you start looking at these other numbers, 9 goes into 27 3 times, and 3 times 4 equals 12, so I can cancel all those that are left. I'm left with an x plus 3 over 2x minus 1.